Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can apply an alphabetic filter to sort your data on Google Sheets alphabetically. So let us get started. So in 2026 it works the following way, guys. Here we need to navigate to spreadsheet, and I'm going to go with this very simple example here with these cells here, each cell with a different letter, to show you how to sort these from A to Z or from Z to A. You will need to highlight the range of data first. Then with your left mouse, then click into data. And then guys, what you want to do is you may use this feature, your sort range by column A, for example, that way. As you can see now, that that column starts with the letter A and ends with I, which is alphabetic. But you can also click into data and then, for example, sort from Z to A, and that would be the entire opposite direction, right? So as you can see, it has been applied to the entire column. There's also another option. Let me undo this and undo this again to restore the default set of data, and then highlight it again, click into data and apply a filter. What you want to do, guys, is let me just remove that filter first. And now create a new one, and then click into that small icon here. And here you can sort from A to Z or from Z to A, but in this case, not for the entire column, but only for the selected area or range of data, like this, or the other way around, from Z to A. As you can see, okay, the uppermost cell is not included in this case here, but everything that starts from A4 and goes up to down to A9 has been sorted alphabetically and not the entire column. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.